What's going on, guys? Welcome back to DroneAllOver. It's another beautiful day out here on Oahu, Hawaii. So I'm taking advantage and I'm going flying, baby. Check me out. Boom, right there. For those who don't know, I have a DJI Drone Mavic 3 Pro. It's still in the case. But today, I'm taking it out and we're gonna go all the way over there. You know what that is? Koko Head Crater. It's a hike, mountain crater, whatever you want to say. But there's like steps over there. I think it's at like 1,450 and it takes you straight to the top. So that's where we're gonna go. For those who don't know, on my TikTok channel, I posted a video of Koko Head. It was the steps, and someone commented that I should get the top. Duh. So today we're gonna record the top, all right? And it's a beautiful day. It's nice and green out here. We had a storm a couple of days ago, so the weather was very bad, but it helped the island out. The island was very dry, and now it's so luscious and beautiful. So we're gonna go explore it. I'm about to unpack, I'm about to get started, and we're gonna start flying. Let's get it. Okay, real quick, guys. I had to stop the process real quick because I had two people way back there by the trees. There's a fence. There was a guy and a girl, and they were pretty cool. Paul and I think her name was Michaela, I forgot, sorry if I get it wrong, but they thought that I was a drone. There's a drone over there flying over their house and they thought it was me. So they came out here and they said, hey, can you stop flying your drone over my house? And I was like, whoa, that's not me. So I ran over there and I explained to them that I'm still here unpacking, but I talked to them a little bit about, you know, that's another thing in the drone community. Hey guys, we got to clean that shit up, man. Like, why are you guys doing weird shit like flying over? He said the drone was like 10 feet above their house and just flying behind their backyard and stuff. Like, I know sometimes it's cool to like see areas that we normally can't see with the drone, but we gotta respect people's boundaries, man, especially their house. So you see, like it gave them a bad taste. Then they see me and now they think I have bad intentions, where I don't. I'm just here for Koko Head. So I went over there and I comforted them a little bit and I tried to, you know, talk to them or whatever, and everything's cool. So we're Gucci, all right? But to you guys, come on, respect the land, respect people, man. Let's get back to flying. Good enough. All right, guys, just brought my baby back home. She just landed safe and sound, as you guys can see. As you just saw, I just had a great flight. Koko Head is very packed, a lot of people up there. If you're ever visiting Hawaii, the Oahu Island to be exact, make sure you check out Koko Head. It's one of the best hikes out here, I would say, as far as like a scenic view at the top and all that. It's great, and you get a good workout because there's nothing but steps all the way up there, right? So you get a good workout, you get a good view, and you get to enjoy Mama Nature out here. That's it for today, guys. That's today's flight. I'm gonna go home. I'm actually gonna get straight to editing this video so I can upload it for you guys and you guys can check it out, all right? So that's it. Thank my drone for her service, for his service. Thank you, drone, for your service. I love you, baby. And that's it, guys. We're out of here. That's episode 1, guys. I'll catch you guys in episode 2. Keep flying high. And remember, fly responsibly, fly respectfully, and keep having fun. See ya.